You are about to feel something shift, because what you are seeing should not exist. Stand in front of the Great Sphinx of Giza. Look at its body, not the face, the body. Run your eyes along the stone. Notice the deep vertical grooves, smooth, rounded, softened by time. Now, ask yourself one question. What kind of force carves stone like this? Not wind, not sand, not desert storms. Water, torrential rain, rain that Egypt has not seen for thousands of years. And suddenly, history begins to tremble. According to textbooks, the Sphinx was built around 2500 BC during the reign of Pharaoh Khafre in a dry, arid climate, a desert almost identical to today. That is what you were taught. That is the official story. But stone does not lie. Geologists know the difference between wind erosion and water erosion. Wind cuts sharp, horizontal edges. Water carves deep, vertical channels. It softens stone, rounds it, ages it in a way sand never can. And the Sphinx's body tells a different story. A story written by rain, heavy rain, sustained rain, the kind that only existed at the end of the last ice age, around 10,000 to 12,000 years ago, long before dynastic Egypt, long before pyramids, long before history begins, according to history. So why does the Sphinx wear the scars of a forgotten world? Egyptologists dismiss this. They say the erosion is caused by groundwater, or salt, or wind behaving strangely. But those explanations fall apart under forensic scrutiny. Independent geologists, men with no interest in myths or religion, examined the rock. They compared it to nearby structures carved at the same time. Only the Sphinx shows this pattern. Only the Sphinx bears the signature of rain, which means one thing. The Sphinx was already ancient when the desert arrived. And that raises a terrifying possibility. What if the Sphinx was not built by the Egyptians, but inherited by them? What if it was already standing when humanity was supposed to be primitive? Suddenly, ancient texts stop sounding like metaphors. In the Bible, there is mention of a world destroyed by water, a civilization erased, a flood so vast it reset humanity itself. In the Quran, there are warnings of ancient peoples who were mighty, advanced, and destroyed when they defied divine law. People whose monuments still stand as signs for those who reflect. Travel through the land and see how was the end of those before you. Not myths, warnings. The timing aligns. A massive climate shift, melting ice caps, rising sea levels, global floods. Science confirms it. Ice core samples, sediment layers, ocean temperature spikes. Around 10,000 BC, Earth changed violently. If a civilization existed before that moment, it would have been erased, except for stone. Stone remembers. The Sphinx does not look like a monument of power. It looks like a survivor. Its head is disproportionately small, as if it was recarved long after the body weathered away, as if later people tried to repair something far older. Egyptians were masters of preservation. They did not build monuments to erode. Yet here stands the Sphinx, already damaged, already ancient, already mysterious. Could it be a warning left behind, a message carved in rock instead of words, that humanity rose once before and fell and rose again? This is where science and scripture touch, not conflict, convergence. The Sphinx stands at the threshold of memory, between what we are allowed to know and what we have forgotten. So ask yourself, if history is wrong about the Sphinx, what else is wrong? And more importantly, if a civilization before us collapsed once, what makes us think it cannot happen again?